Hey there, fellow adventurers. It's your travel savvy buddy, Savvy Rick Brown, and welcome back to my channel. Today marks the beginning of an exciting adventure that promises to transport us to one of the most renowned and cherished landmarks in the bustling metropolis of New York City, the awe-inspiring Brooklyn Bridge. If you're filled with enthusiasm and a yearning to witness the grandeur of this architectural marvel while enjoying a leisurely stroll across its span, you've come to precisely the right destination. When it comes to reaching the Brooklyn Bridge, you're in for a seamless and enjoyable experience. Let's start with the most popular approach, beginning your journey from Manhattan. However, even if you're starting from outside Manhattan, don't fret. I'll also touch on alternative modes of transportation. For those already in Manhattan or arriving within the city, one of the easiest and most favored options is to head to the Manhattan entrance of the Brooklyn Bridge. It's remarkably convenient and offers an ideal starting point for your adventure. To reach this starting point, you can opt for various transportation modes. If you find yourself outside Manhattan and wish to begin your Brooklyn Bridge adventure from there, the New York City subway system can be your go-to choice. It's not just a practical way to get around the city, but also an opportunity to soak in the local ambience as you make your way towards the bridge. Alternatively, you can hail a classic New York City taxi, the iconic yellow cab, which is a convenient option if you prefer a direct and comfortable ride to the bridge's entrance. Once you've reached Manhattan's entrance to the Brooklyn Bridge, you'll be greeted by the vibrant atmosphere of City Hall Park. This location is not only bustling with energy, but also offers a charming park to explore before you embark on your bridge crossing. It's a perfect spot to rendezvous with friends or simply savor the ambiance of this historic city park. And there, right in front of you, you can't miss the grand entrance to the Brooklyn Bridge. It's marked by a towering stone arch, a magnificent prelude to the architectural masterpiece that lies ahead. Rest assured, you're stepping into a pedestrian-friendly haven, so you won't need to worry about vehicular traffic. The Brooklyn Bridge is accessible 24 hours a day, every day of the week. And the best part? It won't cost you a dime. It's absolutely free. Whether you choose to walk at a leisurely pace or prefer the swifter tempo of biking, the Brooklyn Bridge has you covered. For those feeling a bit more adventurous and looking to traverse the bridge on two wheels, there's a dedicated bike lane. This separate lane ensures a smooth and safe journey, allowing you to soak in the panoramic views while cycling across this iconic structure. All right, travelers, let's go on to the next section. A leisurely stroll across the Brooklyn Bridge is undoubtedly a bucket list experience, promising a feast for the senses and a journey through both time and space. As you make your way along this iconic structure, you'll find yourself treated to a visual symphony of sights that will leave an indelible mark on your memory. The first and foremost spectacle that unfolds before your eyes is the majestic Manhattan skyline. It's a breathtaking display of architectural ingenuity and towering skyscrapers that pierce the sky. The juxtaposition of the historic Brooklyn Bridge against this modern backdrop creates a visual contrast that's nothing short of awe-inspiring. Whether you're crossing at sunrise or sunset, you'll be blessed with a magical panorama as the sun casts its golden hues over the city, setting the sky ablaze with vibrant colors. The East River, flowing serenely beneath the bridge, provides a tranquil counterpoint to the urban dynamism surrounding you. As you take each step, you'll be entranced by the river's gentle currents and the constant parade of boats and ferries that traverse its waters. And then the Statue of Liberty, standing regal in the distance, serves as a beacon of freedom and hope, reminding you of the remarkable history and values that this city represents. The bridge itself is an extraordinary work of engineering art. Its Gothic-style arches and intricate cable patterns are not only functional but also a testament to the aesthetic sensibilities of its time. The wooden planked pathway that you walk on offers a touch of nostalgia, creating a tactile connection to history. As you amble along, the rhythmic sound of your steps on the wooden planks adds to the immersive experience. Throughout your journey, don't forget to keep your camera handy because the photo opportunities are boundless. From capturing the grandeur of the bridge's architecture to framing the skyline against the changing sky, each click will be a visual treasure that captures the essence of your visit. For history enthusiasts, the Brooklyn Bridge is a treasure trove of stories and facts waiting to be uncovered. Along your route, you'll find informational plaques that share Intriguing tidbits about the bridge's construction, its visionary architects like John A. Roebling, and the dedicated workers who toiled tirelessly to bring this marvel to life. It's like taking a step back in time as you journey toward the future, merging the past and present into a single, remarkable narrative. Before we continue our journey, let me share something that'll make your travel adventures even more savvy. Introducing Kiss My Baggage Fees, how to be a savvy travel hacker. Maximize your adventures with insider tips on flights, discounts, and more. Get your copy now, link in description. Once you've completed your captivating journey across the Brooklyn Bridge, your adventure continues as you step into the delightful neighborhood of Dumbo in Brooklyn. Dumbo, which stands for Down Under the Manhattan Bridge Overpass, is a charming enclave that beckons you to explore its unique blend of old-world charm and modern vitality. As you venture into the heart of Dumbo, you'll find yourself strolling on quaint cobblestone streets that harken back to a bygone era. These picturesque paths wind their way through a neighborhood filled with a rich tapestry of history and culture, providing the perfect backdrop for an afternoon of exploration. You'll have the chance to discover trendy shops, boutiques, and art galleries that showcase the creative spirit of the community. From fashion and design to fine art, Dumbo offers a vibrant mix of retail therapy and artistic inspiration. When it comes to satisfying your taste buds, Dumbo doesn't disappoint. This neighborhood boasts a diverse array of culinary offerings, from cozy cafes to gourmet restaurants. You can savor delectable food options that cater to a wide range of tastes, whether you're craving a casual snack or a full-fledged dining experience. But the allure of Dumbo extends beyond its charming streets and enticing shops. Don't miss the opportunity to visit Brooklyn Bridge Park, a stunning waterfront oasis that offers a serene respite from the urban hustle and bustle. Here you can unwind by the water's edge and bask in the soothing ambiance of the East River. The park provides the ideal vantage point to capture even more postcard-worthy shots of the Brooklyn Bridge, its towering presence reflected in the tranquil waters below. As your adventure continues in Dumbo and Brooklyn Bridge Park, you'll find countless moments of wonder, whether you're exploring the neighborhood's hidden gems, indulging in mouth-watering cuisine, or simply appreciating the natural beauty of the waterfront. And now, it's time to bid adieu to this enchanting destination. But fear not, my intrepid travelers, for there are endless wonders awaiting you in the world. Until we embark on our next expedition, remember to stay safe, stay curious, and keep your heart open to the beauty of exploration. Share your travel tales with me on social media, and may your future journeys be filled with excitement and discovery. Happy travels!